a wonderful city, London. Wonderful city. We're very lucky to be here, aren't we? It's a wonderful city. Yeah, we're very lucky. I know we've got a lot of problems. Where doesn't? I have a big problem at the moment with knife crime. Don't I know it? I have lost some of my closest friends to knife crime. Every time a kid gets stabbed, another one of my friends moves to Brighton. It's a time thing. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. It's really getting to me. It honestly feels like yesterday I was planning my wedding. I even remember moving in with my now husband. You know, when you move in with someone, you have the chat, don't you? I remember having the chat. I remember saying to him, listen, you have stuff, I have taste. Together, we can get rid of your stuff. And then minutes later, you're planning the wedding. I was self-conscious about planning our wedding because, well, it was going to be so big, obviously. And also because he hadn't proposed to me yet. He was still waiting for the right woman. But what I did is night after night after night, I'd whisper sweet nothings in his ear. She's not out there. You're never going to find her. This is the best that you can do. And it worked. And we are so happy together, so happy. Mustn't forget that bit. It is pivotal to the jokes. I think the secret to our success is a tall, slim Indian man, fit, and I don't understand 90% of what he says to me because he's from Belfast. Do we have any Northern Irish in? Shit. You've got to be very careful around the Northern Irish. They're not like the diddly-diddly-dee ones from the south.